Welcome to Product Research for Dropshipping and Online Arbitrage, brought to you by myself, Mr. Mark Wedd, on May 29th, 2023. The first thing I want to make clear is that this is just an introductory video of this training. So if you are on YouTube, you can see the description of this video to find links to the other videos that are included as part of this training. Or if you're on my website, you can find those other videos there. And so with that, I'm going to proceed into the purpose of the course. Just four main things that I want to explain that are the main purposes of this course. For one, this course explains and demonstrates methods and processes that can be used to perform product research on any marketplace. Two, it focuses on using online stores, which are often called retail suppliers, for drop shipping or online arbitrage. So I want to make it clear that the focus of this training is on those two business models, drop shipping and online arbitrage. Okay. A third thing, there will also be other videos for specific marketplaces. So another purpose of the course is for you to learn product research on a few different marketplaces, not just on one particular marketplace, but methods that you can use for different marketplaces. The fourth thing is semi-automated Google Sheets. So I'm a programmer, and I actually have created semi-automated Google Sheets that help with product research, amongst other things. And so that is another main purpose of this course, for you to actually see those Google Sheets and possibly even use them. And I will show you how to actually use them in this case, in this particular training, for product research on a few different marketplaces. Now, for this introduction, I do want to quickly put out there some main points that I want you to know. And the main points that I will also talk about in the actual further training videos. The easiest way to sell successfully on any marketplace is to find products that are already selling well. That's one. So it's just going to be easier if products are already selling, and then you just take those same products and sell them. That is one main point that is core to this training. Another thing, the methods and tools you use to find products will determine how long it takes. This is a very important thing that I think people sometimes miss. All right. The time it takes for you to find products are definitely determined by how you go about doing them. And I'm not just talking about using software or not using software. I'm talking about the actual methods, your approach, how you actually approach it. And so that is another key thing that I think about a lot, is the time. Third main point is the faster you find products, the better you can compete and find success. Naturally, it just follows that if you can find things faster and better, you're going to be able to compete and find your success faster as well. And the last main point is that you don't always have to use pricey software to find products. There are other ways to access helpful technology without actually incurring the costs. And that just goes back to what I mentioned as one of the main purposes of the course, which is to demonstrate some semi-automated Google Sheets that I've created just for that purpose. So those are pretty much the main points of the course, and that is really it for the introduction. If you want to continue with other videos and to see what else is included in the training, like I said, if you're on YouTube, you can see the description of this video for links to other videos, or if you're on my website, you can see the page that you are currently on, or perhaps the page before that, and you can see the links to the other videos that follow.